Hello guys, I'm Shem Philibert Picabog and now I'm going to teach you how to make a simple schematic diagram. Ang ituturo ko ngayon is nagko-compose ng bulb A is controlled by single switch, bulb B is controlled by single switch, and bulb C is controlled by three-way switch. At sana ay meron kayong matutunan sa gagawin kong video tutorial na ito. Una, kailangan nating maglagay ng circuit breaker. Pangalawa is kailangan maglagay ng line 1 and line 2. Pangatlo, kailangan nating i-drawing yung mga bulb. Pang-apat, kailangan nating i-connect yung line 2 sa bawat bulb para in case na magkamali ka, hindi ito sasabog. Pang-lima, kailangan nating i-drawing yung mga switch sa bawat bulb. Pang-anim, yung line 1 kailangan na i-connect sa bawat switch.